Hi folks, Cameron here for Kingspirit Travels, Cameron's Pantry. We're doing an unboxing. I got this yesterday, and yesterday was of course 5/16/21. Today is the 17th, and we're going to see what this is. And I believe I know what it is because I promised the sponsors of this episode that I would do a review on this. So the sponsors, of course, are listed, and of course it is a sponsored episode. So let me just cut this open if I can. It's kind of weird still. Sorry. Dang. Packed really well. So, okay. And opening it up. Yep. That's what it is, all right. Let me show you the box. This is really cool. Magic meets science. magicmind.co/learn. And, oh, this is cute. It's not magic, it's you. Ain't that a kick in the head? But this, wow, nice. I like the packaging. Really nice and colorful. Very artistic looking, excuse me. Lurking? No. And it says, drink, let me see, the world's first productivity drink. And of course you can read that as well, which says, fold lid behind bottles and best kept refrigerated. We're going to start working on these today. But drink daily for a sharper mind, steady energy, and less stress. And you should. Magic Mind. Now let's take a look at what this is. Thank you, sponsors, for, wow, look at all that. Yay. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. 15 bottles. And looking at one of these, Magic Mind, which has matcha. Here, let me show you that. Matcha gives you energy, adaptogens helps you relax, nootropics keeps you focused, and honey makes you happy. It's an herbal supplement, 2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters, with only 15 calories, 3 grams of total carbohydrates, 1 gram of dietary fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and that includes 2 grams added sugar, which is honey. It's a proprietary energy blend. (1,290 milligrams total. There's other ingredients, of course, which of course I mentioned: matcha tea, water, organic matcha powder, organic matcha powder, course, it has honey and less than 0.5% of citric acid, natural flavor, stevia, very interesting. It's a stevia extract, I should say, along with sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate, which preserves the freshness, and sea salt. Nice. Serving size, of course, 1 bottle, 2 ounces. Directions are very simple, as you can see right here on the back. You shake, breathe, drink. You can take alongside your morning caffeine, and the benefits build with daily use, and it's best served chilled. This is bottled for 10,000 Inc., Venice Beach, California. Awesome. I like this already. Goes with my healthy lifestyle. You can do more, stress less. This is really nice. I like this. So I'm gonna test this out. Already had my coffee today. Already had a little breakfast. It's now in the afternoon. So, will this work? Well, first, let's give it a smell. Oh yeah, matcha tea. Definitely has a flavor. Definitely has flavor. What am I saying? Definitely has a nice scent to it. This is a nice green. Of course, it's bubbled up. Smells good, at the very least. Okay, first impressions. It's a little bit gritty, just a little bit. The matcha comes through very nicely. The hit of honey, which is good as well. And still just a little bit gritty, but it does go down smooth. It's kind of a sharp tanginess to it. It's not sour. It's not quite sweet, but it's kind of pleasant tasting. Not bad. As for the benefits, well, that'll probably kick in about the 3rd day, maybe. I don't know. But we'll find out hours later to see how this goes. It does take a little getting used to with the taste, because it does coat the back of your throat, which I really don't like, but it's a very nice flavor to it, though. I'll give you that. As for the others, of course, we'll find out how this goes. And thank you for joining me on this episode of Cameron's Pantry Unboxing. Magic Mind.